So I am Satish. So I am from Saptagiri College of Engineering, and it's a branch of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So I could not place in the college, so I joined for Jspiders Rajajinagar. So it's one of the best faculty which I'm having over here. So the teaching is ultimate. So you can easily learn from scratch to if you can learn, they'll teach from scratch. So we can go from nowhere to anywhere. So the this is one of the best faculty and which I have ever. Then Shankar sir class is ultimate. No one can even talk about him. So he will teach that way that much good. And for us, we have some other faculty like Mohan sir and Sai sir. They were very helpful for me to crack my interview. So I could able to crack the interview. So we have to do mock interviews, and the presentation is very helpful. So that we can easily regain that. So this is very helpful for to crack my interview. And once again, finally, thanks for Jspiders Rajinagar for a wonderful opportunity.